knocks it long. Chance in the box. Well cleared. Vergesio. It's created a counter-attack for them. In the box. Well cut out, but he has to be careful here. 15 minutes into the first half. Deliberate foul. Picked off the ball. No one in the area. A vital interception, that. A ball over the top. Vergesio. A timely intervention. Chance in the box. It's clear. In the box. People could see that was going off to the right.
He's a confident boy and you'd expect him to try anything, but that was way off.
Almost 30 minutes into the first half. Goal in sight. Fallen kindly. Just millimetres away.
I think he catches it really well, but there's no accuracy in that.
In the box. They've done it. It's a comfortable lead now, 2 goals.
Well, it's a great sight when you've got somebody who can run with the ball at speed like that, and he can apply the finish. This fella's got a lot.
Julio Dominguez. Torresidis. Surely he can put it away. There it is. A quick fire double, and this place is in ferment. Spectators out of their seats. his second goal in about as many minutes. It's all been too easy. Intercepted. Julio Dominguez. Towards the last few minutes of this first half. Torresidis. Looking for some open space. Well within his range. Two more minutes is being shown on the board. Into the area. Goal! The lead potentially now decisive. They worked it until they had a spare man, and didn't he take it well? A resounding finish.
Well, they can't teach you that. That just comes down to natural ability. That is absolutely sensational.
And there is his hat-trick. He's had the defence in his pocket all day. Torresidis. Into the box. There is the referee's whistle to end the first half.
In my opinion, they're totally in control of this game, and they'll want to continue the second half in the same manner as they finished the first.
There's a wide gap between these teams now. The second half gets underway. Safe to say they're in no hurry to relinquish the upper hand. Their guests will. Surely! Reasonable effort, but lacked accuracy.
He's on great form today, and he's willing to try anything. That was a brilliant strike.
Surely he could put it away. Oh, the goalkeeper should have done better. At least the defender was on hand. Carried away by the keeper. And the goalkeeper puts it out for a corner. It's up for the aerial challenge. He's on the end of it. Booted to safety. The assistant referee's flag was raised. Just offside. Good call. Well within his range. Well cleared. Offsides in the box. Well cleared. Crucial interception too. Sends the ball wide. Surely! That's a really poor effort. Well wide.
Oh, he doesn't normally miss those ones. What a chance, and from so close in.
Into the box. And he makes absolutely no mistake. They're well clear now. It's just a question of how many more.
Well, when he can back up that kind of explosive power with the right skill and technique, he's like a one-man team. That was fantastic to watch.
Well, that's 4 now. He's taken on the entire opposition single-handedly, and he's winning without any question. We've reached the hour mark. Surely! Goalkeeper caught out there, but the defender has helped him out. Chance for a counter then. Julio Dominguez. In the box. They've scored! Oh dear, it's becoming more and more like shooting practice. You have to feel sorry for the opposition keeper. That's his 5th, and they just can't cope with him. Torresidis. He's in the box. Surely! Booted to safety. Oh, great defending. Play pushes forward then. Good clearance. That's a clever ball from him. Torresidis. Julio Dominguez. We're into the last 5 minutes. Slid out wide. Well within his range. Goal! Another goal goes in to demonstrate their total control. They're pretty much strolling right now.
Oh, that was an exquisite through ball. He took the chance so well. That's a really good finish.
Just unbelievable. I've not seen anything like this. Push gains momentum. Chance in the box. It's in. This game has already ceased to be a contest.
Well, I'm not sure he meant that exactly, but a beautifully taken strike nonetheless. He kept it away from the keeper and saw the shot come off the right-hand post and in.
They make it 3 from 3. The wins have helped them find their rhythm, and they're playing with some real swagger now.
We all know they came into this game expecting to win, and they made hard work of it at times, but the outcome was fairly predictable.
With that, it's time for me to thank my co-commentator Jim Beglin and to wish you a very good evening.